My name is Movine. I'll take you through magic. In such a question, a trader bought 2 cows, 9 goats for a total of 98,200. She bought 3 cows and 4 goats. If she bought 3 cows and 4 goats, she would have spent 2,200 shillings less. So, before that, we are going to calculate the money this trader would have used if she would have bought 3 cows and 4 goats. 98,000 was the initial buying price. Then we subtract the amount, 2,200 shillings. Our answer is going to be 96,000. 96,000 was the amount this person used if she would have bought 3 cows and 4 goats. So our first equation will be 2C plus 9G is equals to 98,200. The second equation will be 3C plus 4G is equals to 96,200. This is our answer. In B, use the matrix method to determine the cost of the cow and that of the goat. Before we determine the cost, we are going to form our matrix method equation. And by the time we are going to use our first equation to determine the amount of cost, whereby we are going to form the matrix 2, 3, and 9, 4. The first letter is C. C, G is equals to 98,200 and 96,000. After this, you are going to find the reciprocal of this matrix. 2, 3, 9, 4. Before finding the reciprocal, we're going to have the determinant. H is equals to 2 times 4 minus 3 times 9. This is 8 minus 27. Answer is going to be 19, negative 19. After finding this, you're going to find the inverse of negative 19. Whereby the inverse is going to be negative 1 over 19. So our equation will be the diagonals. We are going to interchange the numbers in the diagonals, whereby 4 is going to be here and 2 will be here. Then this will be negative 3 and this negative 9. Is equals to the amount the trader used. After this, we are going to multiply everything in the first. We are going to multiply this by everything in the first. 4 times 98,200 plus negative 9 times 96,000. And negative 3 times 98,200 plus 2 times 96,000. Our answer here will be negative 47 and here will be negative After this, we are going to multiply this. We are going to multiply everything inside here by the inverse we had. Negative 1/19 into 47, negative 471,200. The cost of the cow will be 24,800, and the cost of the goat will be 5,400. This will be our answer in B. Question C. The trader later sold the cow. The trader later sold the animals she had bought, making a profit of 30% per cow and 40% per goat. Calculate the amount of money she received after the percentage. So before the increase, it was 100%. After now the increase of the cow to 30% by 30%, it will be 100 plus 30%. Papa is going to be 130%. So, and in both, it's going to be 40 plus 100, which is going to be 140%. In the amount of money she had before the increase, it was 24,800. And the amount of money this person had before the increase of the goat was 5,400. So we are going to have the increase in percentage, whereby we are going to have 130 over percent over 100 times 24,800. After multiplying, the increase will be 32,240. This is the amount of money which the trader had in the cows after increase. So in the goats, 140 over 100 times the amount she had before. It will be 77,560 shillings. After this, you are going to add the amount, the total amount this person had after the increase. Whereby it is going to be 32,240 plus 75,560. Before the person had an increase, the initial buying price was 98,200. So we are going to take our first equation, which was 2 cows plus 9 goats, which was 98,200 shillings. So we are going to have that equation 2C plus 9G. We are going to multiply 2 times the amount of money this person had as an increase, and 9 times the amount of money this person had as an increase in gold. After the addition, the answer is going to be 132,520 shillings. This was the amount of money that the trader had after the increase in 30% and 40%. Determine to correct. Okay, the last equation. In our last equation, determine to correct 4 significant figures the percentage profit the trader made from the sale of the animals. Remember, profit is equal to percentage profit is equal to profit over buying price. Times 100%. For us to get the profit the trader had, we are going to take the selling price minus the buying price. Selling price minus the buying price. The selling price was and the initial buying price was 98,200. We are going to subtract this for us to get the profit. So the total profit will be 34,320. Remember, the formula was buying profit over buying price times 100%. So this is our profit, 34,320, divided by the initial buying price, 98,200, times 100%. The answer will be but remember, we were told to make it into 4 significant figures. So we are going to count from this end. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to put this line here. So if this is above 5, we are going to add 1 to this side. So if it's lower than, and as we are looking to our hours, it's above 5. So we are going to add this one to have 34.95%. Thank you.